Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see mode through graphical presentation. Graphically how we can present this mode, that we are going to see. So far whatever we have done, I think you all are perfect. Yes? Give a thumbs up. Yes madam, we are perfect. So anyway, now today if you are perfect so far, now we can go for histogram, that is mode presentation through a histogram. Okay. Now the problem is given to us like this: x and frequency. What they are asking? Find z graphically and verify numerically. Find z means mode graphically and verify numerically, both normal calculation plus graphical presentation. You can go for first graphical presentation, then numerical calculation, or numerical calculation and go for graphical presentation. I would like to go for first numerical calculation. You know that when data is given like this, we can just, what is the highest number? 44. Next highest number is 21. There is a lot of gap, huge gap between 21 and 44. So we can go by inspection mode lies in one sentence. You write the formula and calculate it. You know this, right? So what we'll do? By inspection mode lies in this is the highest number na, so mode lies in 30 to 40. If you want, you can write mode lies in class interval 30 to 40 also you can write, right? So just one sentence I have written. Now go for the calculation. What is the formula? Z is equal to L plus D1 by D1 plus D2 into D1 plus D2 into I. Remember the formula? So now here L is here, mode lies in between 30 to 40 na. So I can draw one line here. 30 to 40 means L is 30, lower class interval. D1 is 44 minus 21. It comes to 23. If you want, you can write it separately also. L is 30. D1 is 44 minus 21. 44 minus 21. It means 23. In the same way D2. D2 means 44 minus 37. We have already learned, right? So this is D1 and this is D2. So D2 means 44 minus 37 comes to 7. Okay. So D2 is 7. I is here 10. Apply it in the formula. D1 is 23 by D1, again D1 23 plus D2. D2 is 7 into I 10. Calculate it. So this is 230. That 23 into 10, 230, right? 230 divided by 23 plus 7, 30, which comes to 7.66. 7.66. It means we can say it as a 38 or 37.88, anything. So I am making it nearest, adjusting nearest rupee. So 30 plus 8, 38 is the answer. The same answer we have to present it through the graphical also, right? So for graphical presentation, x axis will be taking class interval, okay? Class interval. And on y axis frequency. This is 0. X axis class interval, y axis frequency. If you see the class interval, minimum number is 0 and 70. So what is the 1 centimeter we can take? 10, right? Anything you can take. So 0 to 10 will first identify 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 70, 50, 60 and 70. On frequency side, minimum number is here 3, maximum is 40. Okay. Again I want to take 10. as 1 centimeter. So, I will start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Maximum number is 44, no? So, I will take first 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Enough. This is we are showing through histogram. Always remember mode through graphical presentation means that is histogram. I will write here histogram. H-I-S-T histogram, G-R-A-M, okay, histogram we are preparing. So, what we have to do is 0 to 10 is 4, frequency is 4. 0 to 10, frequency if you see this is 1 centimeter. Exactly half will be the 0.5, but we need 4. 4 means it will be somewhere here. Okay. Next one 10 to 20. This is 10 to 20 is how much? Frequency 17. 17 means this is 15. Okay. 16, 17 means somewhere here. So, there we can draw one histogram. Like this bars we are preparing. Next one is 20 to 30 is 21. 20 to 30 is 21 means it's here. If you take what do you say, graph paper, you can easily identify. Take graph paper, use dark color pencil and draw this. It looks very neat and clear also. Next one 30 to 40 is 44. 30 to 40 is 44. 44 means where it will be? This is 45 middle. 44 means just below that. 44. So, this is 44. 44 we have drawn, 30 to 44, 44 we have taken. Next 40 to 50 is 37. 40 to 50 is 37. 37 means this is 35, 36, 37 somewhere here. 37. Then after that 50 to 60 is 18. Okay. 50 to 60 is 18. 18 means 50 to 60, 18. This is 20. Half is 15, 16, 17, 18. It means somewhere here. Next 60 to 73. 60 to 70 is 3. This is 5. 3 means somewhere here. So, like bars we have drawn. Now, after this what we are going to do? Highest bar is this one, 30 to 40. Even if you see there also we have said already by inspection mode lies in 30 to 40, 30 to 40 only. So, highest bar which is highest one is 30 to 40. So, this we have chosen. What we have to do is from right corner to left this side we will draw one line. You can draw like this, okay, joining from here to there. In the same way left to right we can draw one line. Left to right means this one here. So, where it is meeting, this is the place where both the lines are meeting together, means from right to left and left to right. So, we have drawn one line, this is the midpoint. If we take this to downside, whatever value we get, that is mode. Where is the scale? So, from here we have to draw one line. So, this is 38. 38. So, mode is 38. Okay. So, answer you check it out. 38 you got it na? It means your calculation and graphical presentation through histogram both are correct, both are matching. Your answer is right. You can check by yourself. Am I clear about this? Yes. If you are understanding, now this is the homework problem. What is there in this problem? X is given and frequency. So these are the values. If you see the highest number is 296, you can write just like this only. Okay. By inspection, mode lies in 150 to 200. Calculate it. Then your answer should be 183. Your answer should be 183. Once if you get the answer, in the same way, prepare the histogram. Highest number is 0 to 50, 50 to 10 months. So here you can take class interval of 50, 100, 150 like this till 400 you can take. And frequency, check it out. Minimum number is 34 and maximum is here 296. You can take difference of 50 or 70, anything. So as I have taken here frequency. Prepare histogram and see your answer should be same. Calculation answer and through histogram also, both the sides. Clear? Are you following? Now today's class, with this today's class I have completed mode. Mean, median, mode. You must be perfect. Check out the playlist, whatever subjects you have already covered in this channel. And there is also Telugu channel, Accounts in Telugu by Professor Devika Bhatnagar. There also, if anyone who wants explanation in Telugu, you can follow that channel also. Anyway, links you can find out in the channels only. So other channels link I have already given. Stay connected. Don't forget to share these videos. Everything is free of cost, especially for you all. Learn, enhance your career, enhance your skills, have a bright career. See you. Good luck.